Despite numerous commitments on both national and regional levels to restore over 1 billion hectares of land, the scale of restoration happening now is far from impressive. There are several reasons, but finance is a major one. The median cost for restoring 1 billion hectares of land is a staggering $1.5 trillion. This kind of money isn't readily available for restoration efforts. Government sources, CSR funds and donor grants can't cover it all. So what is the answer? Private sector investment is crucial. But for that, restoration has to be a large-scale business sector and not a cottage industry that it is now. We need massive restoration project companies that can conceive and fund such projects. And we need skilled professionals to drive these projects. So when we have the right legal framework, when we open private sector and build a strong human resource, land restoration will become easy. Let's make it happen.